It has been an encouraging turnout, and now here at Brownstown Community College, the students seem to be very gravitated towards finding out what each exhibitor has to offer. And so far, the encouragement seen from visiting our booth, Jaipur, has seen many persons interested in the field of intellectual property.
Well, to be honest, it's been very exciting. I'm happy to be a part of such a great event. We at 7 Seas City, we're happy to be a part of it. It's very young people enjoying themselves. It's good.
The tour is good. We are getting persons to come to our booths. We are talking to them about business registration. As you know, we are the agency charged with registering all businesses and companies in Jamaica. And as such, we are on the tour really to spread the message that persons that there are benefits to being registered in Jamaica and operating a formal business in Jamaica.
It has been very good. We have been gaining followers. We have got a few sales, seeing that I put out that the store is online. We get a few little sales. I'm looking forward to going to the other colleges to expose the business a little bit. And Brownstown is crazy. We enjoy yourself here today.
You know, this release tour has been a tremendous opportunity for the students to access service as well as to access the other opportunities that the booth holders have to offer. So release is it's a good idea, and it's a good program, and I hope it returns next year.
Students so far has been very interested in our partner plan, our regular savings, or transactional account. So we are very excited for the other stuff because persons are really engaging with us, and it's not just for the giveaway. They want to be a part of the Janeway family. Plus they're very interested in our ambassador programs because we have ambassadors at each step of the way.
It has been a great experience, and it's bring a lot of exposure to us here, and students enjoy it because, you know, they get to see persons they have never seen before and learn things that probably they wouldn't have learned if you guys hadn't been here.
I like it. The kids is working with my performance, and I really love it. The first time perform in Brownstown, and I love it.
I am looking forward to the other shows because the momentum will build and it will get only higher and higher. As you can see from the response.
The experience was so lit. Like the release, you guys have to do this every single year because they depend on this. You know, they hardly get excitement down here like this, so they're so receptive, and I just love it.
Well, I mean, the tour will have vibes so far, isn't it? Kids them come out and everybody enjoy themselves. The performances them nice and everything, you see it?
Independent girl walk on, now walk out, them can't talk on you. It's a beautiful experience. I love the feedback from the students here. It's an awesome experience.
It was a wonderful performance, and it was a wonderful experience. I'm happy to be here. I've anticipated this college especially. You know, I love the country school, and the country responses are really different from Kingston. So I'm just like soaking it up, you know what I'm saying?
Great experience. I don't know. The people are full of vibes, you know, so you know we give them the vibes, you see me?
Yeah, man, I'm definitely enjoying myself at the release school tour. It's a pleasure being here, you know what I mean? I'm kind of under the weather, but the vibes are right, the crowd was right, so it just brings out a different energy, you know what I mean? So, yeah, man, the release school tour, turn up.
It's been great. You don't know, say I like to go in the schools because you know these kids are going to school. Sometimes them not get to see up on the big show. Them have other things occupy them time. So I always love to come into the classes and the schools. You know, where they come and we just engage with them and see oh they're still feeling us. Especially me as an artist that's in the business for a while. So I'm still loving it, and it's a full joy themselves. It's crazy.